Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Oh, yes. And today's topic is, a little painful,
Very painful,
very personal.
very real.
Okay, I'll say it.
Say it.
I study English, but I can't speak.
Oof.
Yes. Oof is the right sound.
If you're listening right now and thinking, that's me, don't worry. You are not alone.
Not at all. So many adults study for years. Grammar, vocabulary, apps, videos, books,
And then someone asks, so, tell me about yourself.
and your brain says, goodbye,
Completely empty.
like a blank screen.
Exactly.
Why does this happen? Are we bad at languages? Are we too old? Is something wrong with us?
Good questions. Today we're going to answer them.
And the good news?
Nothing is wrong with you.
Ah, that already feels better. Okay, let me tell you something that happened last week.
Oh, I like stories.
So, I met a new colleague at work. He speaks English very well. And he asked me, "How long have you been studying English?"
Dangerous question.
Very dangerous.
What did you say?
I said, 10 years.
10 years.
Yes, 10 years. And then he started talking fast. Very fast.
Uh-oh.
And I understood maybe 60%.
Okay.
But when I tried to answer, I froze.
You froze.
Yes, froze means I couldn't move or speak.
Exactly, like ice.
My brain was thinking in my language, then translating, then checking grammar, then worrying, and then silence.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. I went home and thought, why am I like this? I study all the time.
Can I tell you something important?
Please.
You don't have a knowledge problem.
What do I have then?
You have a speaking practice problem.
Oh,
Many adults study English like it's a school subject.
yes, grammar exercises. Fill in the blank.
Exactly, but speaking is a skill.
What's the difference?
Knowledge is what you know. Skill is what you can do.
Oh,
For example, you can read about swimming. You can watch videos about swimming.
but if you never go into the water?
You can't swim.
That makes sense.
There are 3 main reasons adults feel stuck.
Okay, I'm ready.
Most learners spend 90% of their time studying and 10% speaking.
Yes, that's me.
But speaking improves only when you speak,
So obvious. But we don't do it.
because speaking feels scary.
Very scary.
When you translate in your head, your brain works too hard.
Yes, it's like traffic.
Good example, too many cars in your brain.
Yes, vocabulary car, grammar car, fear car.
And they crash.
Exactly.
This one is emotional.
Oh no.
Adults don't like looking stupid.
True.
Children make mistakes and laugh.
Adults make mistakes and feel embarrassed.
Embarrassed means feeling ashamed or uncomfortable.
Yes, that feeling is terrible.
Let's imagine something.
Okay,
You're at a networking event.
already nervous.
Someone says, so what do you do?
Simple question. But my brain says, okay, subject, verb, present simple. Don't forget ses. Speak slowly. Smile.
And while you are thinking,
The moment is gone.
exactly, here's the truth, you probably understand more than you think.
Really?
Yes, your passive vocabulary is big.
Passive?
Passive vocabulary equals words you understand but don't use.
Oh, yes. I know many words, but I don't say them.
Because they are not active yet.
So I need to activate them?
Exactly. Let's review important words from today. 1. Freeze. Stop suddenly because of fear. Example, I froze during the interview. 2. Skill. Something you can do well because of practice. Speaking is a skill. 3. Translate. Change from one language to another. 4. Embarrassed. Feeling uncomfortable or ashamed. 5. Passive vocabulary. Words you understand but don't use. 6. Active vocabulary. Words you can use easily when speaking. 7. Exhausting. Very tiring. 8. Networking. Meeting people for professional reasons.
Repeat after us. I know more English than I think. Speaking is a skill. I need practice, not perfection. It's okay to make mistakes. I can activate my vocabulary. I don't need to translate everything. I'm improving every time I speak. Okay. I feel better now, but I still don't know what to do differently.
Good, that's the next step.
Ah, so we're not finished.
Not even close,
Because understanding the problem is one thing.
but fixing it is another.
So if you're listening right now and thinking, yes, that's me, stay with us.
In the next part of this episode, we'll talk about practical solutions.
Real things you can do this week.
No complicated study plans,
No 3-hour grammar sessions.
just smart speaking habits.
And remember, if you feel stuck, it doesn't mean you're bad at English.
It just means you need a different strategy.
We'll see you in just a moment. Okay, so we understand the problem now.
Yes, you don't have a bad English brain,
Good.
you have a practice imbalance.
Imbalance, meaning not equal.
Exactly. Too much studying, not enough speaking.
So now, the important question, how do we fix it?
Step by step. And don't worry, nothing extreme. First solution, speak before you feel ready.
Oh no,
Yes,
I don't like this already.
most adults wait until they feel perfect.
Yes, I always think, I'll speak when my grammar is better.
But grammar improves because you speak.
So I can't wait?
If you wait for confidence, you may wait forever.
That's uncomfortable.
Growth is uncomfortable.
True.
Start small, very small.
How small?
1 minute of speaking per day.
Only 1 minute?
Yes, set a timer. Talk about your day.
Even alone?
Especially alone.
What if I make mistakes?
You will,
Great.
and that's fine.
Okay. What's next?
Stop memorizing long vocabulary lists.
Oh, I have many lists.
Instead, use new words immediately.
Example?
If you learn the word decision, say 3 sentences with it today.
Like, I made a decision.
Good.
I need to make a big decision.
Perfect.
This decision is difficult.
Excellent. Now it's active. Another solution, practice slow conversations.
But native speakers talk fast.
Yes, but practice doesn't need to be fast.
So slow is okay?
Slow is powerful.
I always feel embarrassed when I speak slowly.
Clear and slow is better than fast and silent.
That's a good sentence.
Let's try a mini role play.
Okay, I'm nervous.
I'll ask, what did you do last weekend?
Okay, slow version. Last weekend, I stayed at home. I watched a movie. And I cooked dinner.
Perfect. Clear, simple, understandable.
It feels too simple.
Simple is powerful at a 2 to B1 level.
Ugly phase?
Yes, the stage where your English sounds not beautiful.
Oh, I'm there.
Everyone is there at some point.
Even fluent speakers?
Yes, you don't see their ugly phase, but it existed.
That's comforting.
Progress is messy before it's smooth.
Can I say something honest?
Of course,
Sometimes I feel stupid when I speak English.
that feeling is common.
I'm an adult. I'm intelligent. But in English, I feel like a child.
That's because your language level is lower than your intelligence.
Yes, exactly.
But that gap closes with practice. Final big solution: focus on communication.
Not grammar.
Grammar is important, but communication is the goal.
So if people understand me, that's success?
Yes,
Even with mistakes.
especially with mistakes. Let's review useful phrases. 1. Imbalance, when two things are not equal. 2. Growth, improvement over time. 3. Memorize, learn by repeating many times. 4. Clear, easy to understand. 5. Accept, say yes to reality. 6. Phase, a period of time. 7. Gap, difference between two levels. 8. Communication, sharing ideas with others.
Repeat after us. I will speak before I feel ready. I don't need perfect grammar to communicate. Slow English is good English. Mistakes help me grow. My vocabulary is becoming active. I accept my learning phase. I focus on communication. I am becoming more confident every day. You know what? I feel lighter.
Good.
I always thought something was wrong with me.
Nothing is wrong with you.
I just need more speaking practice.
Yes, and less self-judgment.
Self-judgment, being too critical with yourself.
Exactly.
If you're listening right now and thinking, that's my problem, try one small change this week.
1 minute of speaking per day.
Speak before you feel ready,
Use new words immediately.
and accept the messy phase.
Fluency is not magic.
It's practice.
Consistent, imperfect practice.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
If this episode helped you, share it with another adult learner.
Listen again while walking or cleaning.
And remember,
You know more English than you think.
now it's time to use it.
See you next time on English on Air.